Mitigating data bias in machine learning is crucial for fair business decisions. Bias can stem from unrepresentative datasets, leading to skewed outcomes. Techniques like data augmentation, bias detection algorithms, and diverse data sourcing help address these issues. Ensuring transparency and accountability in artificial intelligence models further enhances decision-making integrity. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries with applications like media streaming, chatbots, and smart assistants. E-payments and search algorithms enhance user experiences, while social media feeds and smart cars revolutionize connectivity and transportation. Navigation apps, facial recognition, and text editors showcase AI's role in daily life, streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. Artificial intelligence revolutionizes industries by enabling machines to mimic human intelligence, perform tasks, and learn from data. Its applications are vast, impacting healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment, transforming our daily lives and work environments. As artificial intelligence evolves, understanding its ethical implications becomes crucial for maintaining professional integrity across sectors. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence raises ethical concerns that intersect with professional ethics. Guiding principles are essential to ensure artificial intelligence's responsible use, balancing technological progress with integrity. Key issues include biased algorithms, job automation, and privacy concerns, highlighting the need for ethical standards in artificial intelligence's integration across industries. AI's ethical challenges include algorithmic bias, where systems may perpetuate discrimination and privacy violations, particularly in data handling. Accountability is complex, as determining responsibility for AI decisions is unclear. Autonomy concerns arise when AI systems operate independently, potentially conflicting with human values. Addressing these issues is vital for responsible AI development. AI systems can perpetuate biases from their training data, leading to discrimination. Ensuring fairness in AI decision-making is challenging. Accountability is murky when AI errs, necessitating legal frameworks. The opacity of AI algorithms can erode trust, while privacy concerns arise from AI's role in surveillance and data analysis. Balancing security and privacy is essential. AI's role in cyber attacks and misinformation highlights significant security risks. Balancing ethical principles with commercial interests challenges AI researchers. The debate over open source versus proprietary AI raises questions about access and control. Ethical considerations in AI research involve data collection, experimentation, and collaboration, demanding careful navigation to ensure responsible development. College students and faculty can advance ethical artificial intelligence by embedding ethics in the curriculum, hosting events, and nurturing a culture of responsible artificial intelligence development. Initiatives like hackathons, interdisciplinary research, and industry dialogues are crucial in addressing artificial intelligence's ethical challenges. Ethical AI use demands transparent data practices, bias reduction, and privacy protection. Decisions should prioritize societal welfare. Continuous vigilance and open communication are essential to responsibly develop AI, maximizing benefits and minimizing harm. How can AI be utilized effectively while adhering to these principles? Nonverbal bias occurs when individuals abandon their own opinions to align with the group's perspective. This phenomenon can lead to conformity, suppressing diverse viewpoints, and potentially skewing decision-making processes. Understanding nonverbal bias is crucial for fostering environments where diverse opinions are valued and considered, ensuring more balanced and inclusive outcomes. Beauty bias suggests that we often associate physical attractiveness with success. This bias can influence hiring decisions, promotions, and evaluations, leading to unfair advantages for those deemed more attractive. Understanding this bias is crucial for fostering a more equitable environment. Affinity bias arises when we favor individuals who share similarities with us, such as attending the same college or growing up in the same town. This bias can lead to preferential treatment based on perceived connections rather than objective qualifications or merit. The halo effect occurs when a single positive trait of a person influences our perception of their other attributes. For instance, if someone is exceptionally articulate, we might assume they are also intelligent and competent in unrelated areas, potentially leading to biased judgments. Similarity bias occurs when we prefer to work with individuals who share our characteristics or backgrounds. This bias can lead to homogeneity in teams, stifling diversity and innovation. Recognizing and addressing this bias is crucial for fostering inclusive environments that value diverse perspectives and skills. The contrast effect can skew our judgment by comparing individuals to those who preceded them, rather than evaluating their skills against job requirements. This bias can lead to unfair assessments, as it overlooks the unique attributes each person brings to the role. Attribution bias skews our perception of success and failure. We often blame external factors for our own shortcomings, while attributing others' failures to their personal flaws. This bias can distort evaluations and hinder fair assessments, impacting decision-making and interpersonal relationships. Confirmation bias leads us to seek evidence that supports our initial judgments about others. This bias reinforces our belief in our own accuracy, often ignoring contradictory information. By doing so, we maintain our perceived correctness, potentially overlooking important details that could alter our understanding of a person. Conformity bias arises when judgments about individuals are influenced by their body language, appearance, or attire. This bias can lead to unfair evaluations as it prioritizes superficial traits over actual abilities or character. Recognizing this bias is crucial for making more objective assessments and fostering an inclusive environment. The Dunning-Kruger effect describes a cognitive bias where individuals with low ability at a task overestimate their competence. This occurs because they lack the metacognitive skills to recognize their own ineptitude. Conversely, highly skilled individuals may underestimate their abilities, assuming tasks are easy for others too. Understanding this effect is crucial for self-assessment and personal growth. Women often hesitate to apply for jobs with extensive desirable qualities, fearing they might not meet every criterion. This reluctance extends to self-promotion and salary negotiations, where women are less likely to advocate for themselves. Addressing these barriers is crucial for fostering gender equality in the workplace.
Blind auditions significantly boost female musicians' hiring chances in orchestras by 25 to 46%, according to Harvard and Princeton researchers. This method effectively reduces gender bias, highlighting the importance of anonymizing recruitment processes to ensure fairer evaluations and opportunities for all candidates.
Research indicates that 70% or more of hidden biases target African Americans, the elderly, the disabled, and overweight individuals. These biases can significantly impact hiring decisions and workplace dynamics, perpetuating inequality. Understanding these biases is crucial for creating fairer recruitment processes and inclusive environments.
Research by Danielle Gosher, Justin Friesen, and Aaron C.K. highlights how gendered wording in job ads perpetuates gender inequality. Published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, their study provides evidence that language in job advertisements influences the demographics of applicants, affecting who feels encouraged to apply.
The language in job adverts influences applicant demographics. Research shows names like Letitia and Jamal receive fewer callbacks than Emily and Greg. Structured interviews help standardize the process, minimizing bias by focusing on performance-related factors. Employers frequently use the previous job holder as a benchmark, which can perpetuate biases. Machine learning algorithms, while innovative, introduce new biases in hiring. It's naive to claim complete impartiality, as unconscious biases often influence decisions. Understanding these biases is crucial for fair hiring practices. Using gender-neutral language promotes inclusivity and reduces bias. For instance, instead of man or woman, use person. Replace father and mother with parent. Opt for server over waiter or waitress. This approach fosters a more equitable environment, crucial in professional settings where language shapes perceptions and opportunities. Avoiding bias involves understanding the difference between rule-based and data-driven approaches, as seen in AlphaGo. Providing choices like Google Translate helps mitigate bias. Maintaining neutrality is crucial, and recognizing personal biases is essential for improvement. These strategies ensure fair and unbiased outcomes in various applications.